Yeah. Hi guys, I'm Tony, or Call, as I'm known as, but it's Tony's Verse Food. And this is William.
It's me again.
Go on then.
And make sure to like and subscribe so you get a notification every time we upload our videos on Tony
Don't forget
Versus
to
Food.
share as well. What we're doing today.
So today we are doing the Sprite challenge.
The Sprite challenge.
Yeah.
Can we drink
The whole bottle without burping.
without burping? It's all fresh bottles. Look, just put it through to the camera. You can see
Literally
it's
like
still
fresh.
sealed. I'm going to open mine. You open yours first so they can see it's fresh. I don't mind then. You don't mind. Ready?
Oh.
You see that? That's that one popped. Let me do Will's.
My brother's 9.
Darcy's in the background doing the camera.
Yeah.
Just keep pressing stop and start if we need to stop. But we've got a full bottle. Yeah.
Literally, this has been in the fridge for a day and a
Been
half.
in over 24 hours now, so it's freezing cold.
And it's nice. It's going to be
It's
soothing.
a full fat Sprite.
Full fat, not a diet.
No diet. Full fat with the green lids. There's no diet on the bottom. So, right. We're just going to crack on with it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You got to drink the whole bottle. You're not allowed to burp.
I'm not allowed to burp. And if I do
I
it
burp a
without
lot.
burping,
So I know for a fact I'm going to burp.
and if I do it,
But William
I do
wanted
it
to do
without
it, so-
burping, he's going to give me a £10.
If he can do it without burping, William will get £10 off of me. He can't give me nothing, obviously, because he ain't got no money. And I ain't got no change. So, the £20 on the table, I'll get a tenner from it. There, look, £20 on the table. William will get £10 out of that if he can do this without burping. So, shall we start?
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
I think the tactic is just to like,
drink it in one.
just not go fast, just go slow.
Right. Go then.
Guys, it's
Start,
on
ready?
26.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Flush my fish down the toilet. Count the cat on the washing line. Go to the toilet. Rob the bank.
My neck
Go
is.
skydiving with
Oh, I can feel it already, me. Don't burp. Don't burp. You want to do come out full.
I'm gonna get the delivery room set up for my sister.
Okay, see you soon, Dr. Young. Well, Nurse Aaliyah,
Ooh.
can we go and have a look at these twins that are
I can
really
feel it.
I'm trying not to, that's why I keep going.
Okay.
You can't wash it down, we know. Can I have some nuts to try and get rid of flavour?
No, you're not allowed to do that.
Blanket off.
And then Mummy put them in their going home outfit.
Oh, they've got this special going home.
And we also did get a new ring light, so
Aren't they?
Yeah, we've got a new ring light.
And
to
we're
make
not
it
in the
all nice and
kitchen,
bright.
we're in
Right,
our-
kitchen. We're in the living room today.
living room.
Oh, wow, they're so
And then the another show is going to be in the kitchen.
That'll be another day.
So-
Another day off for challenges now.
So we'll do drink challenges in the living room and then like food challenges in the kitchen.
Be happy to go home, these babies.
Half a bottle gone.
That must be Angela.
Let's go see.
And we have the 2 dogs upstairs, so.
Yeah, they're going to start going mad in a minute.
Hi, I'm Angela. And I'm ready to
I
have
can feel myself wanting to burp.
Oh, hi, Angela.
That's it. Can you shut that door, please?
And this is going to be a minute.
God, I'm going to burp. I'm here today though, guys.
You don't bet.
We-
I heard like,
I'm going to burp though. Come on, it's all the drunk out, you cheater.
I did
I'm
say,
nearly gone.
I did say my tactics go slow.
Go slow, we haven't got half an hour to do a video.
right this way, Angela.
I'm going to burp in a minute. Nearly gone. I'm not burped yet. I feel it all bubbling like hot though. And I'm terrible for burping. Really, I'm usually terrible.
He burps before he even starts eating.
William's got his Tunney's t-shirt on today.
But then the letters have just come off on the back.
That's for cleaning side, you know, not the food version challenge.
It's me, not
Daddy.
Bottle gone. Look, just so you can see. I've not burped yet, but I'm going to burp soon. Come on, Will.
You're gonna do it, but if you don't, you're not gonna have this.
I can feel it all there. I'm going to burp.
I don't want to exhale. I don't want to exhale. I get that full 20 if I drink this.
Yeah, get on, you get a tenner.
That was like a 10-second long burp.
Bloody heck. I got through a bottle though. Sorry guys. Darcy, stop at the table.
I don't really burp.
Come on. Because you're taking forever. I've drunk that, you've
Go
drunk
get the bowl.
that.
Go get the bowl. I'm scared.
No, just come on. I don't need to burp no more, that's it all gone. Did the bottle, but burped about 30 seconds after.
Scared.
Come on, get it done. You'll drink pop usually a lot faster than that.
I'm scared.
It's challengeable, that's the whole point of it.
Oh God. Hold it in.
Just take that 20, turn it into a 10, and Will get it if he does this without burping.
I'm gonna.
Come on then. You're going to do it when you're dripping it like that. You're going to drink it properly. I know you're only, how old? 9. Oh no, come on. Come on.
I just feel it going. Coming up.
Come on. Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it.
If I get it up to at least here, like under these.
No, you got to drink it all.
No, under the. No. No, I get £1 if I get
No,
it.
no, 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 no. I drank the full bottle before I burped.
And if he don't do it, I get the 20.
No, you don't. I don't. No, no challenge for you when I do it. Come on.
3.
Come on, get it done. Come on.
7 second long.
Come on. Down it, down it, down it, down it, down it.
Will has 20 seconds.
Almost see it coming out.
Come on.
No, look.
There's no come on, you wimp.
3 more minutes.
Oh, the carbon dioxide.
Come on.
40 minutes, Will.
Looks like we're gonna have to do things the old-fashioned way.
Come on.
Meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it's good, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, look at this. Okay.
Yeah, but mine's all gone. I don't even know where my bottle's gone. Look.
Yeah, but you've burped.
Yeah, but I drunk it all first.
How many was I meant to get again? Oh, shouldn't matter too much. There we go.
There's a mess today.
Let's get these back to their career. Here you go, Nurse Leah.
Thanks,
Come on.
Dr. Young. I'll give these to...
We're nearly there. Almost. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick.
I thought you were going to make me throw up. No, no.
Go all the way through it and I burped on. After I'd done it, I thought I'd done it. I thought I'm gutted. Come on.
Come on. You can do.
Down it. Down
I
it.
can't download that. I'm gonna burn.
You can't. Yeah, that's the whole
Too
point.
much carbon dioxide.
It's not carbon dioxide.
10,
Well, whatever it is.
It's carbonated.
10, 50 minutes.
That's it.
Hi
Good,
guys, we're
please.
at the hospital. We're in Aaliyah's reborn hospital today, guys. And can you tell us, is there anything exciting
My stomach
happening
hurts.
today?
Yes, there's a new
By the way,
doctor
they
coming.
come from Morrison's.
Oh wow.
Not from the corner shop, because they didn't have any Sprite in corner shops.
For
Local ones
how
to me.
much?
Oh,
Come on.
About £1.
Oh my.
$2.50 for 2
Only
bottles.
a little bit to walk up the stairs, Nurse Aaliyah.
But then I walked onto the big aisle, and you could have got the 1.5 litre bottles, 2 of them, for £2.50. I was a bit disappointed, to be fair, because there's 500ml on these and they're 1.5 litres. So you'd have got 3 litres for Sprite for exactly the same,
Can I show you around my hospital?
just because they're in a small bottle. That's all you're paying for nowadays, your bottles and your packaging.
We have 2 babies over here. Come.
Let's go and have a look.
No, that's burping, and that's burping quiet. I heard
I'm not
that.
burping.
You're,
I'm about to. No, I'm going.
yeah, that's called burping.
No, I'm going.
Yeah, that's called burping.
No, I'm like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Come on.
Yep, halfway there.
Down here. All of that now in one. Please.
It's a
Come on.
boy and his name is Harry.
Oh, Harriet.
Come on.
No, Harry, not Harry.
Harriet.
Come on.
Harry.
No one in their right mind would call a girl Harry.
It's not a girl, and its name is Harry.
Oh dear. Is your eyesight okay, Dr. Young?
My eyesight is impeccable.
He's drunk it. He's all gone.
It's beautiful.
In a couple of minutes now.
Dear. Okay, well, this cute little baby. Okay. Oh, he's very cute.
He's done well. He's not burped, but he's given signs of an in-burp.
Oh, wow. Oh, well, he is lovely.
Both gone, both empty.
Show Dr. Young the other baby in the nursery.
What's up, Will? You alright?
Okay, Dr. Young.
Why aren't you looking at camera?
Yeah, well, I've done it.
Young, it's not finished yet. I burped after.
Wow.
I would love to do a newborn.
Let's give it 30
Her
seconds.
newborn baby check. Oh, that's a good idea.
1,
Okay,
2,
what are you going to check for
3,
first, Mr. Young?
4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
8.
9,
No.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, there, 14,
Famous when I was young.
15,
Young lad.
16, 17, 18,
19,
Oh,
20,
baby, she's
21,
sleeping.
22, 23, 24, there, now,
Yeah.
And she's alive.
25,
So you
26,
she is alive as well.
27,
Oh my goodness. I've
28,
never heard of that
29,
method before.
30,
Perhaps it's
31,
31,
32,
33, 34, 35,
Oh,
36,
count.
37, 38, 39.
Well,
Done!
he's done it. He ain't burped yet, but I can guarantee he'll burp as soon as I press stop on that.
I've forgotten what they were.
So keep it looking for a couple of minutes.
Oh, God.
Can you gonna burp? Are you gonna burp?
No.
Are you gonna burp? Yes, you're gonna burp.
Oh, you pass me this microphone.
Know what I'm doing.
I'm joking.
Right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page. Click
So
the bell
you get-
icon to get the notifications. We'll be posting every couple of days. Some
Every,
will be
like-
food challenges. Some will be drinking challenges.
Some will be like
And some will-
spicy.
Some will just be going around to the local venues, finding some nice little places, just showing you what's about in the area of South Yorkshire. We will travel out of it soon, but we're just getting started, so we'll see how we go. I will have some t-shirts made soon. If anybody would like to buy some, we will be having some available soon. I've got 3 on order just to see how they go. So yeah, once I've sorted them out properly, we'll see how we're going with them all, and
And
then
then
we'll
I
put them on
think
a video to show you what we've got. We'll let you know who's done the designs and who's done them all for us. But yeah, That's another video done. William wants to say something.
I also think that my
Yes.
dad,
Hello, William. £10.
I think that my dad might actually do a spicy challenge.
I'll do one spicy wing challenge. I'm not very good with spice. I can eat spices, but not fully spiced. So we'll have a little group. Well, we'll do one wing challenge. We'll see how spicy they are. I think you get 8 wings in that spice challenge. We'll see how they go. But yeah, as for now,
Easy.
peace out, dude. See you later.
Easy. And I'm a kid. Not even
Andy's
grown-ups
done it.
could do
I know.
it.